Hey folks, welcome back to the Bama Farms and Veg Solves. Finished the Mcculloch Super 80 we just rebuilt, and wanted to try, got a little time right real quick, see if we can get this sucker to fire off, see if she's got any air leaks. So I also want to try fire up this home light if we can. So let's see if she'll pop off. Let's see what she'll do, if anything. Approach in, that's all. Sure, get it apart. See if she's pulling any yet. Looks like she's starting to pull some. Try to give her some throttle. Well, we may not be able to. Make sure she hasn't plugged the cylinder. Nope. Give her some more. There she goes. Give her a little choke. Give it a little more idle, something like right there. Let's go back in, but she is running, so that's a good sign. So half, one, go right back there. Let's get that a try. Hell, that was with the decomp still in. Oh yeah, she got some pressure now. That way. Let's give it a little less. A little more idle. Try that. Oh, she got compression now. So she wants less fuel. So let's give it half. So half. to 3/4. Try that. Pressure still in. Try compression out. Sounds like we got an air leak. Definitely sounds like she got an air leak, but she does sound good. Yeah, I'd say we have an air leak somewhere. Let's give her one more fire. I gotta replace this decomp. It's not wanting to kick out. She's definitely coming up on compression, but looks like we got a little bit of air leak. That'll probably be a crank seal. So there you go. Appreciate y'all watching the first fire since the rebuild. Got just a touch of an air leak. I'm gonna bet money it's on the crank seal. So I'm gonna close this one off, and I gotta get to work, so I won't be able to get this one. Appreciate y'all watching. Hope y'all enjoyed it, and we'll see y'all on the next one. Don't mind, hit that like button. Want to see more, hit that subscribe button, and I'll catch y'all later. Bye, folks.